Hey guys, just me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And today's victim is an AM 8-track out of a '68 Ford Galaxie XL. Comes from John in Cheshire, Connecticut. John has requested pretty much the all bells and whistles package. The USB, of course, modern FM conversion, USB, Bluetooth, and my super cool master input-output box, which allows you to plug in external amplifiers. You got your 4-channel front and rear, left and right preamp outputs here. You got your unpowered subwoofer output there, and this is your aux input. Since the customer requested the box, I normally mount these on the back panel, but since he's got the box, we make them a little bit easier for him to reach. So let's go ahead and turn this puppy on and make sure everything works before we send her back. I've got it set to FM.
Shortly and soon to follow, Tim McGraw.
And we'll just run down the dial. Make sure we pick up some stations here.
To care for residents.
Single wake up sleeper.
Every resolution is a true.
Cheers to a surprise party. Go on to be their third consecutive.
Well, if it's the Democrats that are...
Okay, so that's for FM. Let's flip it over. Let's flip it to AM. Make sure we get the one strong station in my area. On this type of unit, since there's no AM/FM switch, we switch between bands by turning the unit off, then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Now we're on AM. Should get a station right around the center here.
Your family could save.
Okay, there's our stronger AM station. So let's go back to FM. We'll test a few other functions. Try to put it.
Make for when you're watching the game at home.
Okay, gonna flip to our output level meters here. Check our balance control.
That just means there's more dip.
Left.
And it's all for you.
Right. Left. Right. Okay, center it. Now I'm going to activate the virtual front rear fader, which the radio now has. We do that by turning our tone control twice to the right. So let's try that.
Fader adjust.
Okay, now the same tone control is adjusting your front rear speaker balance. Alrighty, gonna let it center. Time out.
Fader set.
Fader set. That means it's set. I'm gonna get off of this music before I get nailed for copyright.
Steven, I'll work with you.
Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode. Do that by rotating our volume control twice to the right.
1041.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, Bluetooth ready to pair. So the unit is now trying to pair with a portable audio device. Of course, I don't do all that on the demo videos. Just make sure it goes into pairing mode, and that tells me that it works. And now we're going to make sure the USB function work. I just got my radio commercial. Let's get rid of these meters. Shouldn't need these anymore. And we're just going to plug my radio commercial in. Make sure it starts playing automatically. Okay, unplug the stick, radio comes back, and the last thing to check is the 8-track.
For $54 and a call to 800
And we got some Neil Sedaka here.
Or visit Star Registry.
We're going to switch tracks a bunch of times. Make sure we got output on all 4 speakers. Okay, just ended the song there, so there we go. End of the song there, so we're probably going to be coming up on an automatic track change in a moment here because a lot of stuff. No, I guess not. Okay, pull the tape out. Radio comes right back. Alrighty, that takes care of everything. Let's test. You may not see the dial light coming on and off. Yep, you can just see it peeking through between those two buttons right there. Dial light's coming on and out because I always replace that too. So that concludes the test, and I'm ready to get on to the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and you've just seen what I can do to an old, ancient AM radio. We can add FM, Bluetooth, USB. Now we can even add HD radio, aux input, pre-outs. Who knows by the time you're ready to have your radio sent in for service. So, my phone number, and this is for paying, repair, or conversion customers only. Do not call this number looking for a belt, a part, or a cosmetic piece. Those are not available here. I'm strictly a repair shop. I'm not the world's parts supply house for 8-track enthusiasts. My number is 928-533-9666. My website is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, John, for your business clear from Connecticut, and we'll see you guys next time.